guys, it's DragonBallReactor here, and today I'm reacting to Beerus versus Champa. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
Never mind the details.
Oh, there's that fat cat. Fat god cat. Oh shit. What the hell was that?
What was that?
Oh, it's Beerus. Beerus looks pissed. Kind of. Yeah, he's definitely pissed. Oh shit.
Hey, Beerus!
Oh shit! Oh my god.
Hey, give me up!
Oh shit. That's loud. That's loud as shit right there. Oh my god.
Was that Lord Beerus' new move?
Too bad for you, Champa. So the Earthlings capable of creating super delicious food no longer exist over there.
Ah! Get wrecked, Champa.
Close to destruction a bunch of times. Even
What?
Vegeta here tried to destroy it once.
Don't bring that up. That's ancient history.
Oh,
Ha.
what for Vegeta? That hurts.
Huh.
Beerus, let's have a competition. Competition? What kind of competition? If I win in a martial arts competition, we'll swap Earths. What? Between you and me?
Swap Earths? Ah, well, Beerus. Making a fool out of Champa. Oh my god. Oh shit, what's about to happen?
We're twins, and we're both gods of destruction.
Of course they're twins.
Get along.
Oh shit. Everything is fucking shaking.
Hey, this time
I think they're about to fight or something.
you're sneaky, Vegeta.
Oh shit! I can feel the area fuming with rage and anger. Oh shit! Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that's right, they can't. Oh wait, never mind. Because I forgot what they say about. Never mind, I should shut up. Oh shit. Oh, that's right. If a god of destruction fight another god of destruction, this happens.
That's enough.
Yep. Oh shit. Alright, I guess that's the end of the video. On that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.